Hello and good morning, everyone. A warm welcome on this particular webinar. First of all, I welcome you all again and thank you for being a conscious and a live parent. I repeat, thank you for being a conscious and a live parent. And I appreciate your concern that you feel that this is the need of the hour. Parenting is the need of the hour, and I believe that you are going to get a lot of things because you are one of those parents who want to bring the change. So thank you once again. I'm your host for today's session. But before moving ahead, I'd like to wait for a few minutes more because I can see a lot of registrants are there. They are queuing up for this show. Although it's 11 and I'm very particular about timings. But again, see, we are in India and we believe that people take the liberty to be a bit late. So keeping in that mind, I want to share all my feelings to all those people. So I'll be waiting for some 2 more minutes and I'll start the program by then. Till the time, I really thank you for making this concern that this is the need of the hour. Parenting is a subject which people normally don't think about, don't talk about. But this is the need of the hour. I repeat again and again. Reason being, this is where you are going to make a difference, not only to you, but to your family, your society, and to the country, to the world. So give me some more minutes. I'm here waiting for a few more people to join. I can see lots of excitement in the people. People are waiting. People logged in, I think 15 minutes before, and they're waiting for the actual time. So I'm there, I'm in time, waiting for more guys to join. So it will hardly take another 2 minutes. I'm ready for the show, and I believe you are ready too. You must have had your breakfast. Today is a Saturday. Most of the people would be off from their work. I'm not saying all, but that is how it has been kept in mind, and this time has been scheduled accordingly. So parents, get ready. You are in the right place at the right time, because learning has no boundaries. You can learn anything and everything at any point of time in your life. Learning goes right from zero till the end. You have to keep on learning all the time. But learning parenting is an art and a science both, which I'm going to talk about, and how it's gonna be, you'll see here. So this 90 minutes, which I promise you, going to give you a lot of things. You are getting more than what you're spending in this 90 minutes. Stay connected till the end, because you're going to get lots of surprises as well. Another minute, I would say. It's already been 11 o'clock. Okay, I can see people from... Yeah, good morning, everyone. Again, I'm wishing you all a very happy good morning. I wish everybody would have there in the time. No worries, no worries. So I think I should start. See, if you want to get something, you have to be in time. That's also a learning. So people who want to make out of it, they have spared the 90 minutes. Those 90 minutes are very, very special to them. So I want to make it more and more fruitful so that they understand the real meaning of time, real value of time, real meaning of time. So you have to be punctual in all the walks of your life. Okay, so here I go. Good morning, everyone. I'm your host for the day, and I'm going to host this parenting webinar mastermind. This mastermind is going to give you lots of new insights for the parenting of this new era, the new generation parenting, I would say. Right? So stay till the end to know more about it. And at the end, I'm going to give you lots of surprises. This entire 90 minutes is going to be full of learning and fun. So guys, are you ready? Guys, are you ready? Just type in the chat box saying ready. Just type in ready. See, you have to make, interactions to keep this session being more and more interactive and more interesting. So keep interacting to make it more and more interesting, I would say. Yes, Please type in ready if you are ready for the show. I'm geared up. Now you need to be geared up for the show as well. Come on, get ready. Yes, I can see lots of readies. Nice to see the energy. Very nice. Okay, here I go. My name is Alok. I'm father of 2 sons, 9 trees, husband to a superwoman. I'm an engineer, entrepreneur, traveler, author at heart, and a parenting expert for more than a decade now. And I have helped more and more people, hundreds of thousands of parents, bring the best versions of their children. I have done it before for many parents, and I'm going to do it for you as well. So this is my promise to you. So these 90 minutes are going to be the best 90 minutes of your life, because you are going to see lots of newer insights. You are going to change the entire belief system of yours, which you have carried for quite a long time, right? So this is my promise to you. I'm going to talk about so many things which is going to create a new difference in your life. And you are here to make that difference, to create that difference. Right, guys? So, I have told you about myself. But before moving ahead, I want to tell you why I am here now. I was as simple as that. I was a guy who was doing a job, as many of the parents are doing, right? So I was in a job wherein I had to get up early in the morning, go to the job for the entire day, running after my bread and butter, right? Everybody does that. What's new in that? But there was one particular thing which was hitting every time in my mind, that am I doing justice to my children? Am I able to make that relationship bonding, that I was missing that warmth in the relationship between me and my child? And that was continuously hitting my mind, that whether I am doing justice to my relationship, my child, the time which I was supposed to spend with him. Okay, so that was one of the major reasons which was, ticking me always. So as you know, every revolution has 2 reasons behind it, right? One is a long-term reason and one is the immediate reason. So this was the long-term reason which was hinting me and, ticking me, hitting me harder and harder every time whenever I used to be late and when I was not able to spend good and quality time with my children, right? Now, the immediate thing, what happened? When my son went into his teens, I found certain behaviors which was not normal, I would say. I wanted to resolve it. I went to the doctors, all those bigger hospitals of, name all those bigger hospital brands, they all refused. They all refused to treat. Reason being, there was nothing found in the test, because all these doctors, they do certain tests, and after finding some observations in those tests, they treat it. But there was no problem as such. So I tried medical, non-medical, paramedical, anything you talk about, and I found that I didn't get a solution. Everybody raised their hands. I kept on running to, Mandir, Masjid, Gurudwara, everywhere. Correct? I was trying all those bits and pieces so that I get a solution, but I didn't find it till the time I met a psychiatrist. She was a very senior lady, and she told me to learn about all this human behaviors, child psychology and everything. So when I started reading about it, I got to know that these are all normal and it is there with everybody, every child, every human being. Okay. So what to do then? So when I got in depth into all these detailings, I found that this is required for anyone and everyone. So why not to bring it to the world? And that is the reason I'm here in front of you talking about parenting, because I have researched a lot over a decade of period. I've spent reading and researching and knowing more and more about all these things. So today I'm here to talk about all these things in a very different way. I'm not going to talk about theory part of it. I'm going to talk about the practical part of it, right? So are you guys with me? Please say yes. Does it make sense to know more about parenting? That is why you are here. Please type in the comment box, say yes. Okay. Okay. So before moving ahead, very nice. I can see lots of yes. Thank you very much for responding. See, the more you respond, the more energy I get, the more power I get, and I can deliver better with you, right? Very nice. Thank you very much. Now, can you type in the city from you have logged in? Because I want to know the demographics of, because I have, catered as of now to the entire Indian market, the Indian people, because India is a country of diversity. So I want to understand, I have researched on my own, but I want to see how many people are more and more curious from which all places. Yeah, Mr. Raju Rathore from Delhi, Mr. Navile from Mumbai, from Mangalore, Mr. Kanish from Mangalore. Yeah, so I can see a lot of people from different parts of the country, right? That means, yeah, Mr. Shweta from Mumbai. Thank you very much for all these responses. What I can make out is, so this problem is there anywhere. Everybody is facing these challenges. I would not say the problem. These are the challenges which is there with the new era parents as well as the parents whose children are now in the new era, obviously. Correct? Good. So now, when you come from different demographics, you come from different culture. But when it comes to parenting, we all are one, right? We all are parents and we all have our children. But let me ask you a question. How much do you love your child? How much do you love your child? Can you quantify that? I believe no, you cannot quantify that. Reason being, because this is a feeling. You cannot quantify. You can just give a broad idea on a scale of 1 to 10 that if 10 is the maximum, I love my child 10. Somebody may say 9. Somebody may tell I love even more than 10. But this is not tangible, right? So since you cannot measure that feeling on a scale, what do we do to show our child, show love to our child? Right from beginning, since we are responsible for everything and anything, what do? We buy food. We are responsible for food, clothes, toys, schooling, colleging, everything and anything, right? So what we do, we buy things which are required for children, right? And we think that we are doing the right things. Am I right? Does it make sense? This is what we do. We buy food, clothes, we send to the best of the schools, we send to college because we have a purpose. What is the purpose? So if I ask you, what do you mean by showing love to your child? If you love your child, what does it mean? What does love mean for your child? You want to make him a good professional? You want to make him a good human being? You want to make him a all-rounder? What do you want to do? So you must have one purpose at all, correct? And that purpose is what everybody wants their child to be the best in the world. As simple as that. Am I making sense? Please type in yes. So if you keep on interacting, it will give me energy, right? Please keep on chatting in the chat box saying yes, no, or a single word. You don't have to write many things, just yes, no, or something like that. Okay, fine. So here is my question. When we do everything for our children, we buy food, clothes, send to schools, talk to them, enjoy with them, everything we do. Now, whatever we do, is it the right thing which we are doing? Who is going to measure the correctness of that particular action which we are doing? Whatever I'm doing, that is right from my perspective. I'm a father, I'm a parent, and I think whatever I'm doing is good for my child, right? But who is going to measure that? And are you tracking that whatever you're doing is going to give a better thing to your child? Is he going to take positives out of whatever you're doing? So we don't have any yardstick to measure that as well. So let me ask you another question. Which profession do you belong to? Which profession do you belong to? You may be engineer, doctor, anybody. Can you just tap in the name of the profession you are in? Just tap in the name of the profession you are in. You may be a housewife as well. That is not a profession, but that is the best profession, I would say, and that is the most critical profession in this world. Being a housewife and being a homemaker, yes, I can understand that. So please type in all the people. Yeah, somebody is an event manager. Mr. Raju is an event manager. Yeah. Miss Kanij is a homemaker. Very nice. Come again, guys. Show up your energy. Yeah, housewife, homemaker, fair enough. Lawyer. Okay. Good. So let me tell you, you must be a professional, and I congratulate you for being it. I congratulate you being a good professional. You may be in any field, say product, service, You may be a doctor, engineer, lawyer, chartered accountant, civil servant, you may be anybody, right? Now, you have gained that particular qualification by spending some time reading about it. You have cleared certain exams, and then you have been certified that you are capable of doing it. Am I right? But let me ask you a question. Who certified to be a parent? Who certified you to be a parent? Who qualified you to be a parent? Tell me, did anybody qualify you to be a parent? Nobody. We don't qualify ourselves to be a parent. It is just, a biology of our system, and there is a family and social pressure wherein we get married and we become parents. Am I right? So are we doing justice to our parenting? Are we just doing justice to our children, which we are supposed to take on? We are not doing that. And that is where, this is the point of which I want to make. We may be expert in our own professions, but we are not experts in parenting. So I normally say, you are the best well-wisher of your child emotionally, but not professionally. You are the best well-wisher of your child emotionally, but not professionally. So you're not knowing whatever you are doing is doing right or wrong. From your perspective, from my perspective, I say whatever I think for my children is right. That same goes for everyone, right? So we think that we are doing right, but is it the right thing which is going to the children? That we have to see here. And that is what I'm here for. And that is why parenting is required. Okay. Very nice. So this is the point which I want to make. But before moving ahead, I'll tell you, what should be the right time of parenting? Is there any right time of parenting defined? I'll tell you. The moment you think of being a parent, the moment you think of being a parent, you are a parent from then and there. So I say you are a parent from the mind first, then you are a parent at heart, and then you are a physical parent. Am I right? So the best time to learn parenting is the moment you start thinking of being a parent. Normally it doesn't happen. Everybody has his own, limitations. If I talk about myself, I got married very early, right? And the reason for me being a parent was that my father was diagnosed with blood cancer, and before he dies, he wanted to see his grandchild. So I had a different reason. You can have your own reasons, maybe from your side, from your in-law side, from your peer group, or anybody, right? So you can have different reasons of being a parent. But are you really ready for that parenting? Have you learned parenting? No, not at all. So from my perspective, I tell the right time of an ideal time of learning parenting is from the moment you start thinking of parenting, right? Now, I'll give you a certain example. You must have heard the story of Arjun, Abhimanyu. It was the Kurukshetra war, right? And when Arjun was telling stories to demolish all those gates of Chakravyuh, Subhadra, Arjun's wife, was listening. Abhimanyu was in the womb only, right? And he was listening to all those things which Arjun was telling. Subhadra slept after that door 7, and that is how he was not able to crack door 8, and he was killed in the war. So the point is, a child start learning from the womb. It is like a seed. When you put a seed in the ground, you don't see what's happening inside. You can only see when it comes up, either the stem or the leaves comes up, right? So you start seeing visible when you are able to see them, right? But it's not that if you're not seeing, something is not happening at the back end. Things are happening at the back end right from the moment a lady conceives. When the child is in the formation, the cells are getting connected one by one in different ways. We are not able to understand what's happening inside, but it's happening. Trust me, guys, it's happening. So what I say that this child is a no caste, no creed, no nation, no language identity, right? We give them tags socially and individually. We tag them socially and individually, right? So how it is done? If I belong to a particular country, he is a citizen of that country. If I belong to a particular religion, he goes to that tag of religion. I belong to a certain language, he is tagged to that language, and start learning all those things. So we are the guys who are tagging and making them what they are, and then we say at a later stage that my child has become that, my child has become that. It is we who are responsible for doing it. Okay. So before going ahead, I want to show you a video. Just watch it. So guys, keep watching. I'm going to make it more and more interesting for you, and you'll find lot of value in this program. Just keep watching, stay till the end. Here I go.
ये क्या कर रहे हो फोन पे?
ये किसका इंस्टा देखकर ये इतना स्माइल कर रही हो तुम?
जब हम तुम्हारी उम्र के थे ना, तो हम गांव में पेड़ के नीचे बैठ के पढ़ाई किया करते थे।
लाइट वाइट नहीं थी हमारे यहाँ।
बचपन से ही पैसे कमाकर पूरे परिवार को संभालते थे।
और तुम खुद को नहीं संभाल सकती।
हमारे घर से गांव में नदी आती थी बीच में,
God, it was so tough.
तो वर्दी उतारते थे, स्कूल की वर्दी,
Look at your life.
और बस्ता वो ऐसे ऐसे पकड़ के चलते थे।
Everything is given to you all on a platter, या bloody.
जब तुम हमारी उम्र के हो जाओगे ना, तब तुम ये समझोगे। ये सब झूठ है बेटा।
ये झूठ मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे भी तो बोला था यार, और अब हम रिसाइकिल करके तुम्हें बोल रहे हैं।
अगर मेरे जमाने में मोबाइल होता तो मैं भी मोबाइल पे होती। एक्चुअली अब भी हूँ।
इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट हमने भी खोला।
व्हाट्सएप पे मैं तुमको कितना सारा गुड मॉर्निंग मैसेजेस भेजती हूँ।
और कभी कभी जब तुम उदास दिखती हो तो बहुत बड़ी गलती कर देती हो।
तुमने मना किया है, लेकिन फिर भी तुमसे डायरेक्टली पूछ लेता हूँ कि बेटा कैसे हो, और तुम कह देती हो कि ठीक हूँ पापा।
मेरा दिल नहीं मानता दैट यू आर ओके, है ना?
तुम्हारी लाइफ आसान नहीं है। खराब दिन,
खराब मार्क्स,
खराब ब्रेकअप्स।
कभी कभी तो लगता होगा कि जिंदगी ही खराब है ना?
So sometimes you may think,
Will it even matter if you give up and go away?
does anyone even care? देखो बेटा, हम तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स नहीं हैं।
बट हम पेरेंट्स हैं।
इस जनरेशन गैप को एकदम समझते हैं।
हाँ, तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स तुम्हें कभी कभी समझ ही नहीं पाते होंगे, विलन जैसे लगते होंगे।
कभी कभी उन्हें तुमसे बात करने के लिए सही शब्द नहीं मिलते।
कभी कभी कम्युनिकेशन गैप की वजह से वो प्यार नहीं दिखा पाते,
पर वो तुम्हारी फिक्र करते हैं।
एंड दे रियली 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 लव यू।
सो प्लीज,
जब 3 बजे रात को तुम सो नहीं पाते,
Talk to your parents.
जब एग्जाम्स का प्रेशर तुम नहीं ले पाते हो,
जब आपको ये लगे ना कि वो सैड वाले कोट्स जो होते हैं वो इंस्टा पे शेयर करोगे तो दैट्स द ओनली वे टू मेक योरसेल्फ हर्ट।
प्यार में अगर दिल टूटा हो तो
टॉक टू देम।
you can just write them a little chit.
थोड़ा awkward जरूर होगा, पर बात करके तो देखो।
और अगर तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम्स तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स ही हैं, तब तो डेफिनेटली टॉक टू देम।
मतलब अपने BFF से पहले मन भर के बिचिंग कर लो, उसके बाद।
और हाँ, ऐसे मौके होंगे जब पेरेंट्स से बात करना इम्पॉसिबल लगेगा।
और हम में से कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनके पास बात करने के लिए पेरेंट्स नहीं भी होते हैं।
इवन देन
कोई ना कोई होगा जो आपकी बात सुनना चाहता होगा।
यू डू नॉट नीड टू फील अलोन।
अपने दिल की बात किसी ना किसी से जरूर कीजिए।
इट मे बी अ फ्रेंड,
A stranger.
और अ नंबर।
टॉक टू देम।
बात करो।
Talk to someone.
प्लीज।
ठीक है बेटा।
If you're going
So you saw what parents are trying to say to their children, right? Was it interesting? Can you please mention, was it interesting? Say yes. Just say one word, yes, if you find it interesting. This is the parents' point of view, which I wanted to make. We all are parents. These people are all parents as well, right? So there is some parent inside us who is talking in some different ways. Yes, very nice. Yes, I can see yes. Good. Very nice. Good to see that. Yeah. Okay, so this is one part of it wherein parents want to say something to the children in different ways. They must be having so many things in their hearts, but sometimes they could not express, and sometimes even they express, they may or may not be in the right way, right? So as I already told you, that the right time of parenting is when you start thinking of parenting in the mind. But what about people who already are parents now? What should they do? So what they have to do is they have to first unlearn and then learn. I repeat, they have to unlearn whatever they were doing earlier, because there are so many things which they were doing wrong. Now you'll tell me, what are those things? How can I know that these things I'm doing it right or wrong? I'll tell you with certain examples, right? So I'll give you first example. Normally what we do is, whenever a child cries, what do we do? What we do when a child cries? We normally say, don't cry. Don't cry, everything will be fine. Am I right? Am I making sense? This is what we normally say. Yes? Are you with me? Correct. So this is my intention and this is our intention, that we say to our children, don't cry, everything will be all right. And we find that this is sufficiently good. But parents understand, yes, normally we say to stop crying, correct. But we understand that this is the right way of saying and keeping him, shut and keeping him cool. But it's not that way. So when we say that stop crying, we are somehow trying to suppress their feelings. We're trying to suppress their feelings. We're not allowing him or her to come up crying with us, crying to me, right? So by this, what are we doing? See, crying is a natural phenomena. It is happening out of certain feelings which the child is having in his mind, or it is, right? There is some kind of a comfort, maybe a mental comfort, a physical comfort, or whatever it may be, right? And we say, don't cry. And we say that this is fine. See, what happens when you say that don't cry, you are trying to suppress that feeling unknowingly. See, you don't want any harm, but the right way of parenting and the wrong way of parenting, this is what I'm trying to talk about. So what you have to unlearn. So when you say don't cry, you suppress the feeling, and slowly and steadily the child is of the opinion that you are not worth sharing his or her feelings, right? And he starts making a distance with you. Am I right? This is how it happens. This is how it goes in their subconscious mind. You don't want that, but it is happening because you are saying that. Correct? This is a typical example. So what you should have done? This is what you are doing right now. You are saying, don't cry, everything will be all right. In spite of saying this, what you should have told to get a better connection with your child, you should have told, please come to me and tell me the reason. Why are you crying? What is that thing which is bothering you? Are you hurt? Are you thinking something? Have somebody told you something because of you are feeling some discomfort? If you start talking in this way, in spite of saying don't cry, the child will start making connections and he or she will be closer to you. Am I making sense? Please say yes. Please say yes. Because I have worked on this a lot and I want to make it happen. I want to make you understand that this is the things which we need to unlearn and learn. Right? So I'll give you another example. We normally say, I do everything for you. You are my child and I do everything for you. Right? See, we have brought the child to this world. Right? It is our wish. The child has not asked us to bring him or her. So this is my wish. This is my responsibility of taking care of my child in all the ways. Correct? Now, when we say that I'm doing it for you, and if you keep on saying at regular intervals, the child undergoes the feeling that am I burdened to my parents? Am I burdened to my parents? Why every time I'm coming to listen that I'm doing it for you? You have to do it for you. And believe me, you are the parents, you are the people who have to do it. But don't say this. Don't use this word that I do everything for you. Instead, what you have to say, you just say, we love you and this is a part of our entire journey that I'm doing it for you. That's it. Don't have to make it and elaborate it that why to tell all the reasons that you are doing. Just say that you are my child, we love you and we are doing it for you. That's it. And don't repeat it all the time. So this is the second common mistake which we normally do. The third example I'll give you. Whenever our child does something good, we congratulate them, we pat them, right? But we say, you have done better, but you could do even better. You have done great, but you could have done better. So whenever we compliment and congratulate and then we put a word but, this spoils the entire energy. This spoils the entire energy of that compliment. The child understands that, have I missed something? He doesn't feel motivated, right? So the entire congratulation part, the entire energy which you want to transfer to your child goes for a toss just because of the but word which you have put behind your compliment. So don't use but. You say, instead I'm telling you what you should have told. You say, I know you have done a great job, and I bet, I believe, I trust you, you are going to do even better. Don't use that word but. This is what we do mistakes. Am I making sense, friends and parents? Am I making sense? Okay. One more example I'll take before moving ahead, because see, these are these practical examples which are happening around us, and we are doing it regularly, day on a daily basis. We are talking in these terms. We are using these words, right? So now, another example I'll take. We normally say that we are your parents and we have seen life more than you. We are more experienced than you, right? Yes. Normally we talk about in the same language, and we say that whatever I say, you have to do accordingly because I have seen more and more life. I have more experience than you. So what happens when you start talking in this way? This is an orthodox style of parenting, which is not required at all. The children feel that their opinion is not going to matter. So they feel disheartened. They'll not come to you with certain new ideas or new feelings if you start suppressing in that way. This is a common mistake which we parents do. We say that, I repeat, we say that we have more experience than you, right? So do accordingly, whatever I say. Instead, what you should have done, that your opinion matters. Tell me what you have, those things in your mind, and validate it. Validate it with certain facts and figures, and tell him or her that whatever you are saying is right to this extent, and you can do it better. As of now, your opinion matters to me, but this is little far behind when I'll take it for implementation. So this way you can create more and more energy with child. The bonding will be there. That respect would be created. That value will be created for you and your child. So I believe I'm making sense. Parents, please type in yes if you like these examples, because these are the real life examples which we normally do in our normal day-to-day lives, right? So who all are with me? Please type in yes so that I can see. Yeah, very nice. Good to see all those yeses coming. Good. Now, again, I am saying at the end of this session, you are going to get surprises. Parents, stay till the end. I'm going to give you lots of surprises, right? Before moving ahead, I want to share another video with you. What children say. That was one part of the part in which I showed what parents want to say to their children. Now, what children want to say, just listen to this video.
Dear parents.
Dear parents.
Dear parents. Dear parents.
Dear parents.
Papa.
I have something to say to you.
बहुत टाइम से सोच रहा हूँ, आज सोचा कह ही देता हूँ.
भले समझने के लिए थोड़ा वक्त ले लेना,
पर आज इत्मीनान से बैठकर मेरी बात सुन लेना.
आपके सामने खुश रहने की एक्टिंग अब और नहीं हो पाएगी.
पढ़ाई से डिस्ट्रैक्ट भी मैं अपने आप को कितना ही करूँगा.
ये कोई फेज नहीं, ये मेरी फीलिंग्स और इमोशंस हैं.
लोग क्या कहेंगे से इन भावनाओं को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
हाँ, मैं पूरा दिन अपने फोन पर लगी रहती हूँ.
कोई सुनने के लिए मिलता ही नहीं. जब सर उठाकर ऊपर देखता हूँ,
अक्सर रात को 3 बजे कुछ एक अजीब सा ख्याल जगाए रखता है.
कल को अगर मैं ना रहूँ तो किसी को क्या फर्क पड़ता है.
ऐसे में गिनती के कुछ दोस्त हैं 2-4 जिनसे मैं बात कर लेता हूँ.
हमारी डांट में ही प्यार है, तब नहीं सुनना चाहती.
कभी कभी सोचता हूँ कि काश ये ओवर थिंकिंग रोक पाता.
आप अगर एक बार सुन लेंगे तो आपके कंधे पे सर रखकर रो पाते.
चिट्ठी लिखूं या मैसेज करके फटाफट फैमिली ग्रुप छोड़ दूं.
असली बात बताओ या सब ठीक है कह के जाने दूं.
सच बताया तो आप डांट कर फोन तो नहीं छीन लोगे.
अपने बचपन की कठिनाइयों से हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स कंपेयर तो नहीं करोगे.
क्या आप फिर से मेरी मुश्किलों को नकली कहकर नकार तो नहीं दोगे.
एक बार बताने से मना किया तो क्या आप दूसरी बार पूछोगे.
जानती हूँ स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा ऑकवर्ड तो जरूर लगेगा.
इस जनरेशन की प्रॉब्लम्स समझने के लिए थोड़ा वक्त देना पड़ेगा.
बचपन में आपको भी बात नहीं, सिर्फ रिस्पेक्ट करना सिखाया था. दो आंसू बहाए तो दुनिया वीक बोलेगी बताया गया था।
ये मेंटल हेल्थ की बातें तो दरअसल हमारे लिए भी नहीं है।
पर अब जरा सा इंटरेस्ट दिखाओ, हम क्रैश कोर्स देने के लिए रेडी हैं।
हम आपसे इन चीजों की सोल्यूशन और एडवाइस चाहते ही नहीं।
पर पहला कदम उठा के कमरे की चौखट पे खटखटाओ तो सही।
भले ही समझने के लिए थोड़ा वक्त ले लेना,
लेकिन आज इत्मीनान से मेरी बात सुन लेना।
सुन लेना जब मैं कहूँ मेरा मन नहीं है।
और मत कहना मुझसे बेहतर तो मासी की बेटी है।
सुन लेना जब किसी बेमतलब सी छोटी सी बात पे रो पड़ूं।
मत कहना कि मैं तो बहुत सेंसिटिव।
सुन लेना जब मैं कहूँ कुछ चीजें मुझे ट्रिगर करती हैं। और मत कहना कि इन सब के लिए अभी मेरी उम्र ही नहीं है।
सुन लेना जब मैं कुछ डिसीजंस अपने लिए सेल्फिशली लेना चाहूँ।
और मत कहना कि कभी आपके बारे में सोचती ही नहीं हूँ।
दुनिया अपने आप में काफी मुश्किलों से भरी है
और इस सब में आपकी सपोर्ट की कमी सबसे ज्यादा चुभती है।
अपने घर में तो मुझे कुछ भी बोलने की आजादी होनी चाहिए।
असली लड़ाई तो मेरी बाहर की दुनिया से होनी चाहिए।
बहुत मुश्किल था आपसे आज ये सब कह पाना।
पर ये सुनने के बाद एक बार आके हाल पूछ जाना।
Hey guys, if this video
So parents, this was the perspective from the children point of view. So how did you like it? Is it the right thing which you are facing? Something similar to that? Have your children come across saying this kind of a words to you? Can you say yes? How did you like, and is it? Yeah, thank you, Kuniz. This is how it is. This very sensitive. Parenting is a very sensitive issue. The two hearts, right? Very nice. Okay. Fair enough. Now, I'm going to share about my 3 secrets which I promised you. Very nice. The 3 secrets which I promised you. Now I'll go to my presentation and I wanted to show you something. Okay, here it goes. So my promise of this webinar is to create a wow bonding with your child, and which is priceless. And how I'm gonna do this I'm going to cover this. Okay, so my promise of this program is, by end of this program, not this webinar I'm talking about, my program I'm talking about, because this is only 90 minutes which I'm with you, right? 90 minutes I can't teach you anything and everything. I can give you a overall idea, correct? So this idea will trigger your mind that what's going on, which is to be corrected, and how you're going to correct it for your children, for your lives, right? Now you have known about me. I'll take you directly to this particular slide, wherein I want to tell you, after end of this program, what will happen, how is your life gonna change, right? So as a father, you will be the best buddy, one of the best buddies of your child at whatever stage your child is, right? You will be able to listen to the smallest stories of his heart which you want to share, right? Either he's talking about his pencil or a paper or a craft or something, some cartoons or whatever. You need to listen to him, and you will be able to make a best buddy out of your child. As a mother, you will be able to see that your children are doing everything in a proper and disciplined manner. You don't have to run behind them. The mothers have this problem that they have to run behind those children doing everything, correct? And as a family, trust me, the happiness quotient of your family is gonna increase. That is for sure. This is my promise to you. Okay, so these 3 secrets I was talking about. Number 1 is how to make your child share his or her feelings. Number 2, how to convince your child. And number 3, how to balance the emotions in case of wins and defeats. I think these are the 3 major challenges which parents are normally facing. So I'm interacting with a lot of people, a lot of parents, and I come across, and out of those only I have, I thought to make these things aware to all those parents who want to bring a change, right? So I'll go one by one. How to make your child share his honest feeling with you. It is not by any kind of a pressure, an honest feeling, which I want that your child should make connection with your heart, right? So science of feeling, I call it science of feeling. Now, what is feeling? It's an emotion, feeling emotion. You cannot have tangible things measured on a scale of 1 to 10 or something like that. It's a science of feeling. So how do you feel? How do you connect? I'll just give you an example. If somebody is from, Kolkata, traveling to different parts of India, maybe you talk about some non-Bangla place, talk about Delhi or Mumbai. When he or she is traveling to a different part and he listens somebody talking on a phone, maybe he's going on the roads or he's in a metro or a bus, he starts listening to somebody talking in Bangla, he automatically connects. And how this connection happens? This connection happens by virtue of language, by virtue of outfits, by virtue of frequency. So when I talk about frequency, as a science student, what I mean to say is when you have some resonance, when you intimate somebody, when you feel that this person is like me, you start connecting. So that is called resonance, right? So that is a feeling where you start getting connected, correct? So that feeling can be maybe in different forms. That may be in the form of your body posture, that may be in the form of language, tone, facial expressions, can be anything. But ultimate objective is what? To make connections, right? So you have to enter your child's world to make a connection with him. Mind it what I'm saying. You have to enter the child's world to make a connection out of him, right? Now, how you're going to do that? Suppose there are two individuals. I consider these two individuals to be two individual mobile phones, right? So you are mobile phones. The heart which you have, that is a SIM card. You have a SIM card, you have a heart. Your child has a SIM card, he has a heart, right? So the SIM cards I'm resembling as hearts, correct? Now you connect over a network. You connect over a network. So if you have a network in your mobile, your child has a network in your mobile, you start connecting, right? You connect virtually. But if I talk a different language and your child don't understand, and if he talks a language which you don't understand, is it going to make a communication? Is this communication going to be proper? Not at all. Can you make out? Can you correlate what I'm trying to say? Even if you have a heart, even if you have a SIM, you have a connection made. So this is what is happening nowadays. People are there in the house, they think that, they assume that this is my child and he is born to make connection with me. That doesn't happen. Reason being, whatever you are saying is not going to his mind, whatever he is saying is not going to your mind. And although you are communicating, but that communication is not happening. Reason being, you are not able to understand what that child is saying, and the child is not able to understand what you are trying to say. Am I right? So if this doesn't happen, how can you think of getting connected towards the heart? Am I making sense? Right? So this is a very simple example. You can take another example of, you must be listening to radios, right? Different FM channels are there. So different FM channels means what? Their frequency is set at different hertz frequencies, right? Some channel are, suppose, at I'll arbitrarily name it. Some are at 10 kilohertz. Some channel is at 20 kilohertz. So you start, if you tune in, if you reach that particular frequency, you start listening to that. So you have to make that connection. Then only you'll be able to communicate and understand, and then only your child could be able to share his or honest feeling. So that is why I call it science of feeling. Am I making sense? Friends and parents, please respond in the chat box. I'm very much excited, and I'm putting everything for you to make you understand that what you need to do to make a connection to child's heart. Right? Right, Mr. Mahendra. Thank you very much. So keep on typing, guys. Keep on typing. See, this is only 90 minutes which I have asked for you, and I want to give more and more value to this 90 minutes. Right? 90 minutes is a very small time period in which I can only tell you what all things are going to happen. You have to learn it. You have to learn it in a broader way. Right? Okay, fine. Now I'll come to the next secret, which is how to convince your child. So I call it the art of convincing, right? So if you see the image in this slide shows a child is having burger in one hand and apple in one hand. sorry to say, today the children are seeing all kinds of advertisements in the TV, media, even social media as well. But now primarily it's TV only, in which you see lots of ads. And thanks to all those channels which are only showing, I would say those only showing those things which are in terms of marketing. Have you seen any ad which is showing that apple is a good fruit and you should go for apple? I'm sorry to say that, but it is happening. So they are doing business and they are, targeting the minds of the child, that a child should eat their product and their sales revenue will increase. That is how it happens, right? But we as a parent have to tell them what is the right thing and what is the wrong thing to do. Okay. Now tell me, if you are having a burger and you are forcing your child not to having that burger, is it going to work? Not at all. So what you have to do, how you are going to convince your child? One, you have to tell them the benefits, the merits and demerits of both the things when he is confused or when he is arguing for something. Correct? Now, coming to the second point, you have to be the role model of your child. By saying role model, what I mean is, you have to create that thing in his mind that my father or my parents are doing this. This is the right thing. I should follow them. Children treat parents as the role models. So you have to be a role model. I tell you, be the change you want to be, right? So you have to be the change which you want your child to do. So then only your child will do what you want him to do, right? So this is the art of convincing. You have to make them feel that whatever my parents are saying, they're the right things and they are doing the same thing, then I should. Children learn by seeing. Children don't learn by only putting something in their minds. They learn by seeing. Okay, so this is the art of convincing. Now, coming to the third secret, how to balance in case of wins and defeats. Okay, how to balance in case of wins and defeats. Yeah, I can see so many, chats coming in, and there are few people who want to ask few questions as well. No issues. I'll take all those questions at the end. Don't worry. Let me finish it. I'll come to those things. We'll discuss if required. Anyway, how to balance in case of wins and defeats. See, we as parents, we want our children to be winners always, right? And there is a punchline which I normally say, every parent wish they had a super performer child always. Every parent wish they had a super performer child always, right? So every parents want that their child should be the winner all the time. But is it practically possible? Is there anybody in this world who has not faced the defeats? No way. You take example of anybody, and what you can do is, you have to tell your children how to balance between when he's winning or he's losing. What happens, I'll tell you, when we teach our children the winning methods, what happens, he doesn't know or she doesn't know what to do when there is a shortcoming, or if he loses. We don't teach them to learn defeats. And that is why you see a lot of students, a lot of children today nowadays gets into depression mode. When they get 90% and above, they're fine. The moment, because of any reasons, if they get lesser marks, they get into depressions. And this depression is to that extent when they take suicidal attempts as well. Why this happens? Because we have not trained them, we have not taught them to learn the methods to accept defeats, how to win over our defeats. See, this is a sinusoidal curve. We win and we lose. Winning and losing is a part of life, right? So if we start understanding this fact and we start teaching, and how you're going to do that, do it from your own house. Play some game. If you're playing some game and your child is somewhat bit not happy when he's losing, try to tell him then and there that this is a part of life. This is one game which is lost. The entire life is there, right? So you start telling him to accept that defeat. The moment he'll start accepting defeats, he'll be a better human being and he'll be able to handle his emotions or her emotions in a better way. Anything. Life comes with surprises all the time. So you have to teach your child to accept those surprises. Either it is a positive or a negative surprise, right? It may be it may be like your child is thinking of something and it doesn't happen. So you have to train them and make them prepared. So I always say, think for the better, prepare for the worst. You try the best, but there may be somebody who is putting in even more efforts than you, right? And at that time, you have to accept that fact that, okay, this is my life. I have to put in more and more efforts. Life is not going to stop here. So this is the art and science of balancing. People and parents do not teach their children this particular art and science. So this is these are the 3 secrets which I wanted to convey. Now, as I told you, I have done it for a lot of parents. A lot of parents have been benefited out of my program. I have certain case studies as well. I'll share you 1-2 case studies over here, what happened and how it was resolved by my guidance, right? These are certain chats which I have, taken from Facebook and other social media channels, wherein I'm interacting directly with the parents. They ask me certain questions, I answer them, but these are only bits and pieces. Something asking something, I'm answering to them, they get benefit and that's it. They are not doing it in a very systematic way. So I have lots of testimonials like this. Am I making sense, parents? Please type in. Please type in, you are with me. Come on. I think you all are a bit hesitant. Come on. So this is going to be for your child, your future, your children's future. The entire family is going to get benefited out of it, right? So these are certain testimonials which I wanted to show you that my ideas and my techniques have proven good for the people who have used my advices. Okay, now thanks for responding. Correct? Now I'll tell you, I have lots of surprises which I was talking about, correct? Which I'll be coming to show you what all those surprises are. So this 90 minutes which I told you, this 90 minutes out of which almost 50 minutes are over, I've tried to make you understand that what things we are doing as a parent, what we have in our hearts and what is coming out of our hearts and how it is going to impact the children, right? So it is all the impact which you are going to make children's life. So once your children are better, you are always better, correct? So that is why I normally talk about the entire happy quotient of the family. The entire happy quotient of your family will be increased if you do all this. Okay. Now, with your permission, see, this is only 90 minutes. And as I've told you, I've done it for so many parents, I'm going to do it for you. But this 90 minutes is not going to give you all those things which I want you to learn. You have to go a journey. You have to travel a journey to learn all these things, right? So with your permission, I'd like to offer you something today. So if you're interested, please say yes in the comment box. It's the surprise time now. Yeah, you can connect with me, Kenise. That is what I am trying to tell you, that this 90 minutes is the overview of what we are doing and what we should have done. Now you have to do it in a practice way. You have to practice it to make it happen, right? So with your permission, I'd like to offer you something. Okay. So this is one offer which I'm gonna give you. This offer is just for today. This offer is for the entire parenting people who are willing to bring a change in their parents. Initially also, I congratulated you all guys, because you are the guys who are going to create a difference in your children, your family, right? So how you're going to do it? It is not 90 minutes which is going to create all the values in you. So if I tell you that 90 minutes is going to change your world, is not going to happen, right? It is only going to give you this entire insight of what you need to do and how it's going to happen, right? The journey is still to go, right? So I have made this package in such a way that you get all those things. The secrets to successful parenting, which is for 24,999, a guide to parenting errors and their solutions, basic principles of child psychology, the 6 Sigma role of parenting, the Gen X guide to teen parenting and laws of parenting. And along with this, I've also put up activity bundle for the kids. So this package is not only for you, it is going to cover your children as well. See, I told you the theory part is only 20%. Rest everything is gonna be all practical, and that too along with your children, along with your spouse and along with your children, right? So you have to go together. If you want to go this journey, you have to go together. So I'm not stopping you. My next surprise would be something other than this, right? So I'm going to give you 60 minutes counseling with experts. So now I have two experts. Number one is Mr. Dheeraj Srivastava. He is founder of Pathshala Club, and he is a expert in communication skill and personality development. This is very much suitable to your children. If you want to learn something for your children, you want your children to learn something in terms of communication and upgrading him or her as a personal. So personality development is one part which is going to cover. So you'll be getting 60-minute counseling for free, that too only for first 25 registrants, right? Okay. Now, Mr. Shwet Chandan, he is a guy, he's a genius. He's an expert in coding and robotics. And he's there to test your child a free 60 minutes for, these are all free counseling, right? So only for 25 registrants. And he's a guy, if you talk about Vajra Junior or Byju's, they are charging a hell lot of money for this. So what you can do, you can try for your children. He can be a guy who will give you a 60 minutes counseling to understand what inclination your child have towards coding and robotics. And later on, you can, if you like his program, you can send your child to his classes also. But this 60 minutes is going to be entirely free, right? Okay. But you'll see, and you'll think that, am I going to sell this thing and go away? No, not at all. So you are my family now. You are my family now. I'm going to be with you. So what next? My surprise is gonna be, this is going to be a complimentary bonus, right? So I'll give you free, although this course is designed for 28 days, but I'm going to give you free access of this course till 1 year time, right? So this course will be given to you free access for 1 year, right? And along with this, again, I'm going to give you weekly trainings for 52 weeks. So every week I'll be connecting to you guys, right? And I'll be asking about what you have done along with a new trick and technique so that you keep doing actions. See, actions you have to take. I'm there with you. It is like if you take admission in a gym and if you don't go to the gym or don't practice, you're not going to build your body. Am I right? Similarly, if you get admission in a university or a course, you don't study, don't pass the exams, you're not going to get the certificate. You're not going to get that knowledge as well, right? So you have to take actions. Parents, I request you to take actions, because people who are going to take actions, they are the people who are going to make changes in their lives, right? So I'm going to give you all this for free for people who are there registering for today, right? This offer is only for today. But again, before that, as I promised, first of all, let me give you the free book, which is, and this is an international book. I would tell you how children learn. You can download it on your computers. So this is I'm going to offer you as of now. Just a minute. Okay, now here goes on your screen this file which you can download. This is going to be an eye-opener for you. This is an intentional guide wherein you can, first of all, you download all this particular book. It is there in your screen now. You can just click and download it. Okay. So this is what I was talking about. There are a lot of surprises for you. This is one of those. I don't want to go empty-handed. And now you are my family. I want to get connected with you because you are going to create that difference in your family, your children. Believe me, people who are going to take actions are the people who are going to make the change. And you will see these are all fun-based activities. Trust me, these are all fun-based activities. Okay. Now, I'm going to give you the links to my social media channels, wherein you can be a part of my group and you can keep interacting with parents like you. Similar minded people are there. They keep on interacting. And this could be one of the platforms where you start learning. So this is, again, I'm giving you free. All these social media channels, you can go and join for free, right? Okay. What next? What next I have to offer you? Okay, I believe you have all downloaded all these two things, which I'm going to give, which I've already given you for free. Okay. How to pay for this course? Yes, I'm coming to it. See, I'm not only here to make sales, Miss Kaneez. I'm here to be with you as a part of your family now, right? So when I say I'm going to be a part of your family, I'm going to create all those things. But first of all, let me complete what I have already planned and what I've already promised. So my promise was to give you certain surprises. These two surprises were free. Along with that, now I'm going to give you that offer, right? I hope everybody has downloaded all these links as well. Fine. Now I'm going to give you an offer. So this is the offer which I'm going to give you. It is on your screen now. Okay. So the timer is start. This is only for today and only for 20 minutes. And that too, as I showed you, for first 25 registrants, it is entirely with those bonuses. So this course will come to you at 7079 inclusive of taxes. So the price is only 5999. If you calculate it over a period of 1 year, when I'm with you for 1 year time, I'm not going to go anywhere. This is my promise that I'll make it happen for you. I've done it before and I'm going to do it for you as well, right? So it is hardly 500 rupees a month. 500 rupees is a month means if you order a family pack pizza, it will cost you something like that. So I think if you buy a toy for your child, it is going to cost you even more than that. A good toy will come not less than 500 rupees, right? If the cheaper of those toys, those games, those box games comes in around 200, 250 rupees or 300 rupees. So if you are going to invest 500 rupees a month, you are going to create that difference, that value in your child. So I think it is worth spending, worth investing. I would say it's not spending, it's worth investing. And I told you this is not going to be a theoretical class altogether. You'll be getting a course, and access to a course when you pay that money. And you'll be given lots of exercises to do along with your spouse and your child. See, this is not a thing wherein you learn and mug up and become a good parent. No. This is all fun-based activities, fun-based learning, right? So I'll share you a few of the case studies. This offer is live now. It's already ticking. It's 18 minutes left now. This offer is only valid today for 20 minutes. Believe me and understand that this prices can increase anytime. This is a special offer which I have made just for today. Okay. So offer is on your screen, and in the meantime I'll share you some of the case studies. One guy, he's an IIT professional. He has done his engineering from IIT and he's a professional in a big multinational company. He called me a day and said that he has a 3.5-year child, a baby girl, 3.5 years, right? And in that girl, there was a different kind of a tendency of asking his parents to get more and more physical products. Like, I'll give an example. She asked for a mobile. Since the parents were capable, right, they bought him a laptop because, you know, in this pandemic area, the classes were going on online and still it's going on. So in place of a mobile, he bought, since he was financially capable of that, he bought a laptop for her. She was happy. The moment she got that, she was happy, but she was detaching the moment she used to get something. The next time she could connect only when she needed something. The father called me up saying that he is very much upset because he can only connect to her when she wants something. That girl only wants to connect when she wants something from her father. So I told him certain things to do, what to do, what not to do. And today, thanks, he is in a better shape. The child is also in a better way. Now they are establishing a connection between their hearts. It is not only for physiological things, right? So that is one example which I wanted to make. So these things are there in everybody's life. For me, this is like OPD cases, right? Everybody comes with a similar problem, but they don't know how to do it. I'll give you another example. Another call I got from Patna, Bihar, right? There was a lady, she called me up saying that her child doesn't want to study, which is there. No child wants to study. And if he is forced to study, he negotiates in a term that if I study for 1 hour, I'll play for 3 hours. First, confirm that, then only I'll be studying for 1 hour. And she was very much, harassed by her child, I would say. She was very much upset. She told me what to do. So this is again a normal, common thing which parents come across. So what happens when a child comes in the driving seat, you are gone. So you have to be in the driving seat. That negotiation power has to be with you, right? Don't allow your child to overpower you. Listen to them. Definitely, you have to listen to them, but don't be guided. You are on the driving seat. You have to guide them, right? So again, I told her to do certain things, and today their life is better. So these things are done on see, there are two ways of doing it. One, you do it in bits and pieces. Today, you are hungry, you buy food and that's it. Your hunger is finished. You are out of that hunger. But what happens when you again be hungry? You'll again have to search for food, right? So why don't you create something? Why don't you cultivate something that every time you don't have to run for food? Similar goes here. Don't learn parenting in bits and pieces. So that is how this course has been designed for parents like you. And this is proven success to almost all the people. I would say almost. Why I'm saying almost? Because few people are not taking actions. If you don't take action, how is it going to help you? If I give you food in front of you and I'd say it's done, without eating, can you finish your hunger? No, you have to eat. Similarly, if I give you a book, if you don't read, is it going to help you? No. So those action takers are getting benefited out of this program. Those people who are not taking actions, for those people, I have made this, structure that every week I have given this program. Every day you have to do certain activities, and these activities, I'm again repeating you, these activities you have to do along with your child, along with your spouse. The more you spend time with your child doing those activities, the more you are getting closer and the things will getting resolved, right? So things will happen automatically, right? Okay. So you have certain examples of it. There are so many examples which I have created, and people are, saying thanks to me for all this. And see, I feel good only because I think that I'm making a change in their lives. This is a heartfelt feeling for me, right? When I can see that I'm making changes in the people's lives. And one more thing I'd like to add. As this offer is live, I can see people are trying to, click and buy. Yes, it is there. It is live as of now. So one major motivation which is there with me today, if you talk about the safety and security of your children, are they really safe? Are your children really safe in the society? I don't think so, especially the girl child. So why they are not safe? Because the parents of the sons or daughters, whatever you say, they are not teaching their children the things which are right for the other people. If I start teaching my child to behave properly with females, friends, colleagues, he'll be in a state wherein he'll be understanding over years, over some time, that females are also respectable people, and we have to respect them as individuals as well, right? Similar thing goes for a girl child also. So if we start from our homes, we are going to deliver, we are going to create differences. So that creation has to happen from our own houses. Am I right? So we have to create the differences from own houses. If we create for ourselves, it will act good for them. And if they create, it is going to give benefit to you. So as an individual and as a social people, we are going to create differences for all of us. And there would be time when we'll be feeling safe, even if our child are not at our house, they are out at our house. Today we are not feeling safe, right? So this is going to be a movement, friends and parents. Trust me, this is going to be a movement, start of a movement. And every movement starts with a single person. You are that person who is going to create a difference, right? So create the difference for yourself. Create the difference for the society. Start from yourself. It will automatically happen for the entire society and the country as well. So be a part of this movement. Create that change, be that change, and see the difference, how it's going to be. Today, I feel, especially parents of teenager girls, whenever their girls are out for college or school or any party, the parents are not at peace in their minds. They're not at peace till the time the child comes back home safely, right? Because we always come across all this news in the media, right? Why it happens, understand the reason behind it. So start creating that difference in yourself, for you, for your family, for your children, for your society, so that there would be a time wherein you will be feeling good about it. Am I right? So am I making sense, friends and parents? Just type in yes. Yeah. Just type in yes if you find value in my program, if you find value in my talks, whichever I told you, please type in yes. Thank you very much. So I'll tell you, this has to be a journey. You cannot learn anything in a single day or in 1 hour. Trust me, you have to go a journey. And in this journey, I'm with you. My promise to you is it's going to happen. I'm going to make it happen for you. The only thing you have to do is to take actions. I'm with you. I'm there with you for this entire year. 1 year is the entire time. You will start seeing the difference immediately when you start doing it. So every day is a full of fun and activity. And I promise you, you have to spend some time. That some time, maybe 1 hour, 1.5 hours. The more you get involved, the more you get results. So you have to plan. After all, it's your child. You have to plan your day in such a way that you spare that time to do those homeworks at least, because that homeworks are going to create differences. That homework is going to give you lot of activity-based learning. And these homeworks are not only learning. Indirectly, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to connect you with your child. Understand this point. It is not just theory. It is not just theory. Theory is just 20 parts. Again, I'm repeating. Theory is just 20 parts because you should know what all things happen in the background. But ultimately, what you're going to do is the practical part of it. And you'll love enjoying it because it has been designed for you to enjoy. It will not be a burden for you. You will enjoy, your child will enjoy. So the more you enjoy together, the more bonding would be there. Trust me, it's going to happen. It is just a matter of a click. The moment you start doing it, it will start happening. That's it. So be positive and start doing it. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. I'm open for question and answer session now. The offer is live. 7 minutes are left. Trust me, it's now or never. This opportunity is not going to come. And there is no course designed in such a way as of now. If you search the internet, search anywhere, this course is not a theoretical course, right? You can go and search all this theory part on internet. It is available there in different forms, right? But here I'm going to give you practical activities, which is going to create differences. Okay. Payment gateways is already there. If you click on that offer button, there is a blue button on your screen where it is written, grab this lifetime deal at special price. If you click that, you'll go to the payment gateway and you can pay that. So trust me, this 6,000 rupees or 7,000 rupees is hardly a peanut for, if you compare it with the entire thing which you are going to get out of it. It is just an investment. It's just an investment for you, your child, your future, your family. And later on, it will add on to the society as well. Start doing it, guys. Start doing it. You're not going to get this offer anymore. Right? Okay. So, any questions if I'd like to answer? Anybody, if you want to ask any questions, I'm there. I'm not going to go anywhere. See, as I told you, my promise is that I'm your family now. You can ask me any question if you want, and I'm there to help you out. Either it is related to this program or it is related to your children, right? I'm going to answer everything till the time you're satisfied. Okay. Tell me if you have any questions. See, I can tell you stories. I have lots of case studies, right? But ultimately, if you are ready for it, I am ready to do all on my part to make this happen for you. First of all, you have to be ready for it. And I really thank you, this many people, because they have turned up really well. And that is how I call these parents to be live parents and conscious parents. Everybody is parent, as I told you, everybody is a parent, but who are there to make a change? That is going to make a difference. So if you feel you are going to make that difference to your children, your family, then you are at the right place at the right time, right? And you are one of those conscious parents. Yeah, how to make child listen and agree with what we say. Yeah, there are so many things to it, Miss Leena. That is what I told you. I can answer in few sentences, but that is not going to help you unless and until you go through a journey which I talked about. You have to go through a journey. This 90 minutes, I cannot answer everything in detail. I can just tell you simple things, some tips and tricks, but that's not going to help you. That is what I told you. If I give you food for one time, it's fine. It's there. You can have your hunger sorted out for one time. But what happens next? So this is one question which you are coming up with. Is this the only question you are dealing with? No. So this is what I'm saying. You have to go a journey with me, and I'm there with you on this journey. I'm going to make it happen. Your answers will be solved automatically if you start doing actions. As I gave you the example that if you want to make a muscle, if you want to make your biceps, you have to do certain exercises in the gym, which are, taking you to make your muscles tight, make your biceps. So that is one exercise. If you have to make a six-pack abs, you have to do different exercises. So there are different answers to different challenges. So everything cannot be answered in this 90-minute session, right? We are already now something around 70 minutes or something, right? So I promised you that this 90 minutes, you are going to make a lot of things. I promise, whatever I promised, I delivered in terms of giving some free things. I gave you a value offer, which is irresistible. You're not going to get that kind of an activity-based learning anywhere as of now. The entire world is open. Go and search for it. You'll not get it. It has been very, very much thought-provocated so that you are not bored of. See, I don't want to teach you theory part of it. I'm not going to give you a certificate. I'm just telling you, if you do this fun-based learning activities, trust me, these are all fun-based learning activities which is going to bring you and your child together. That is what my purpose is. And the more you are connected to your childhood, the more your problem starts resolving. So that is the root cause of all the problems. So I started with the root cause. If you want to stay with me, if you want to connect with me, you have to go through this journey so that you get the best out of it. And it has happened for so many parents like you. It will happen for you as well. I'm confident about it. Just you need to act on it. Right? Okay. So anybody else whom I can help with? So, Miss Lina, I've answered your question, I believe. Your question was how to make child listen, agree with what you say. That is what my second secret was, how to convince your child. I've already answered in short, but again, you have to go a journey. As I told you, you have to go to a journey with me in terms of implementing those things. The broad picture is already in front of you, but how you are going to do it, that you have to learn with a program which I have offered you for a very effective price. You're not going to get it anywhere. And I have seen the results with lots of parents. They have the parents who have really, accessed it, and the people who have really witnessed it. They are the real witness to all those success. They have come out with all those challenges. Now they are free. They can talk to the children. They can express their feeling. Their children. They are connected to the children. Yeah, thank you very much. So the offer is almost about to expire now, close. It's only 30 seconds left. I hope you have made a decision. Yeah. So trust me, guys, this program is there and I'm there with you. I'm not going anywhere. My promise to you is I'm not going anywhere unless and until you find benefit out of it. I'm going to make it happen. That's it. You take it in single word that if you take action, this is going to create wonders for you. That's it, in single word. If you want to change your lives, if you want to see a paradigm shift in your child activities and the bonding between you and a child, it is going to create values. Right? Okay. So this offer is finished. I think everybody has done it. Please mention. Okay. Let me see. I'll make some arrangements. Although this offer is only for today, as per demand, I'll have to see whether I need to make it available for other people as well. I'll have to see and check with my team as of now. I cannot promise, but because this is a very limited people webinar, I want only those people to act on it who are really, really interested in making that change. So I'll come with maybe in a day or two, I'll come with a plan wherein I'll see whether I can offer this to you or not at a later stage. Because people who are investing time and energy at this place, they are the people who are going to get the best out of it. Okay. So any more questions if I could answer? Anybody? So my promise of 90 minutes and an irresistible offer, the value pack which I wanted to give you, it's all there in this particular session. I hope I have gave worth to your 90 minutes. And I believe people who are going to take action, they are going to get more and more to it. Whatever I promise, I tend to deliver even more and better than that. And this is going to work wonders for you. I repeat again and again, this is going to do wonders for you. Your family happy quotient is gonna increase like anything. And it will happen automatically. You don't have to go anywhere to see that. You'll feel that. You'll come to me saying that, yes, it has worked for me. I'm confident. I'm very much confident. And because I have seen results coming for people who have taken actions, parents who have done it, they have come up saying that this was a fun activity and I never knew this is going to create this kind of a change in my children's life. And the thought and those actions were really interesting and they have given a good result. Right? Fine. So anything I'd answer, it's almost going to be now 85 minutes. I'd started at 11 and it's 12:24 as of now. Yes. Anybody else? If I can answer anybody's else question, or we are good to go. I welcome everyone who has joined this course. Before closing this, I welcome everybody because now you are a part of our family. I'm your part of your family and you are a part of my family as well, where we are going to create wonders for our lives, our children. And this is going to create a difference not only for you, but for your future generations as well. So mind it, there are a lot of things hidden in it. Once you start doing, you'll see the difference. So I welcome on board all those people who has bought this course, right? And you'll be getting access to all your courses in short while, right? I'm very happy that you people are really, want to bring that change, be that change, and we'll be meeting again. So you have already downloaded all my social media links, right? So you have to click on all the social media links to be a part of that group, because you will be getting all those informations personally as well. But that group will also create a community wherein people like you are there. They are discussing all those things. You'll be benefiting out of that as well, right? So whatever you have downloaded, the social media links, you have to click that and register yourself as a part of that group. You'll become members, and when you become members, that platform is there to discuss anything related to parenting. Just be very cautious that you don't promote any other things related to anything else other than parenting. It has to be a parenting. It is a parenting group closed for only parents who are facing challenges or who are doing wonders with their children. They can share their feelings, what they are doing and what results they are getting. So I'm very much happy for you being onboarded with me for this particular life-changing session. I call it a life-changing session, right? Okay. So I'm done with my session as of now. Thank you very much once again. I believe whatever I promised, I've delivered to you, and see you very soon in my courses, right? Thank you very much once again for joining this course. You are the change. Believe me, you are the change, and you are going to be the change for your future generations. Trust me, and thank you very much.